Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a largest possible inscribed circle inside a given triangle, which is ABC in this case over here, and I'll also show you how to measure the area of that, which is a simple technique. First you're going to open your compass and open it to a small radius and draw an arc at one of the corners of the triangles, like this. Then move the compass to the point where the arc intersects one of the sides of the triangles and draw a second arc. Then move the compass to the second location where the arc intersected the other side and draw the third arc. Then bring in your set square or ruler and connect point A with the point of intersection to draw the angle bisector here. Now we have to repeat these same steps either for point B or for point C. I will go with point B. Let's highlight that point and name it. I named it O over here because it's the center of a circle. You can name it whatever you want. There are two ways to draw the circle now. You can place the compass at the point of intersection and open it to a specific radius so that it touches one of the three sides, and you can complete the circle, and you will see that it will touch all the three sides tangentially, and the circle will be the largest possible inscribed circle in a triangle given. The second possible way to draw an exact circle over here using the right technique is to place the compass at the point of intersection and open it to a slightly bigger radius and draw the arc in such a way that it cuts one of the three sides of the triangle at 2 points. Now you will move your compass to the point of intersection of this arc with the side and draw the second arc, and then move the compass to the other point of intersection and draw the second arc. Now connect point O with the new point of intersection that you got here by drawing these two arcs. Now this will be the radius of the circle that you have to draw, and this is the exact radius, and this is the exact perpendicular that I found to give me the radius. Now you can draw the circle and you will see that it will touch all the three sides. Now you can measure the radius of this circle and use the formula pi r squared to find the area. And you can use the respective scale if there is any scale involved in the drawing, but for my drawing it was 1:1 scale, so I will simply measure the radius here and use the formula pi r squared. Thanks a lot for watching the video. See you guys in the next video.